Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review, including those to NordVPN and CyberGhost VPN, are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using these services. NordVPN, NordVPN.com, and CyberGhost VPN, CyberGhostVPN.com, are two popular choices in the crowded virtual private network (VPN) market. Both offer a range of features designed to enhance your online privacy and security. But which one comes out on top? Let's dive into a comparative overview to help you make an informed decision. Choosing the right VPN can be a daunting task. Factors such as server locations, connection speeds, security protocols, and pricing all play a significant role. With NordVPN, you get access to a vast network of servers, robust encryption, and features like a kill switch and dedicated IP addresses. CyberGhost VPN boasts a user-friendly interface, a no-logs policy, and strong performance across various platforms. While both providers offer similar benefits, some key differences might sway your decision. NordVPN is known for its consistently fast speeds and ability to bypass geo-restrictions, making it a great option for streaming and accessing content from different regions. CyberGhost VPN, on the other hand, offers dedicated servers optimized for specific activities like torrenting and streaming, providing a tailored experience. Your specific needs will ultimately dictate which provider is the better fit. Cost is another important consideration. Both NordVPN and CyberGhost VPN offer various subscription plans, with longer-term subscriptions generally providing better value. Be sure to compare the pricing and features offered in each plan to find the one that aligns with your budget and requirements. Ultimately, both are reputable VPN services offering robust security and privacy features. It's essential to weigh your individual priorities, whether it be speed, server locations, or specific features, to determine which VPN will best serve your online needs. Remember to check the description for the links to both services and take advantage of any special offers available. Don't hesitate to leave your questions and thoughts in the comments below. What has been your experience with NordVPN or CyberGhost VPN? We'd love to hear from you. And as always, thanks for watching Rome Tips.